Alright, so I'm here to show you guys my US General toolbox and what I did to it. Anyways, my stupid ass forgot to lock the toolbox before I moved it. And what ended up happening was the whole box tilted around this area. Well, the wheels hit on this hole here and the whole thing just tilted over. So I've already gone ahead and I fixed the bottom drawer, but I'm going to show you guys how to actually repair this if you drop it or if the rivets break. So as you can see here, there's rivets that actually hold these together, and you can kind of see it's really loose. I mean, this one's already broken, so as you can see, there is no rivet there. Anyways, I gotta replace the rivets because the whole box is like kind of loose. So when I go to slide the drawer in, what ends up happening is it kind of binds. So you want to go ahead and make sure that the rivet's nice and flush with the panel there on the inside and the rack. So there we go, brand new rivet. Well, let's see. Yeah, it took off all that slop. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. That was pretty much how to repair the slides on the US General Pro box. I'm still laughing here because I can't believe I broke the damn thing. Holy crap. I made the little rivets there. When the box actually goes up or down with weight, it actually takes that abuse, and when it breaks that rivet there, it still has the clips on the end to support the unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead off camera and just finish riveting all the loose stuff. So I'll go ahead and I'll leave you guys with some footage of the new box that's available at Harbor Freight. And I want to go ahead and thank all my new viewers, my new subscribers, all my viewers and subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Check these out.